When you get stitches, it looks like a doctor is simply sewing your skin together. But something much more interesting is about to happen underneath. The surgical thread is pulled tight, bringing both sides of the wound together and holding the damaged skin firmly in place. But here's the surprising part. The stitches don't actually heal your wound. They only hold everything together while your body does the real work. Within hours, inflammation begins as immune cells rush into the damaged tissue, clearing debris and preparing the area for repair. Then new cells begin multiplying and moving into the wound, slowly replacing the tissue that was damaged when your skin was cut. Next, repair cells produce collagen, strong microscopic fibers that weave together and create a biological bridge between both sides of the wound. But that new tissue needs oxygen and nutrients, so tiny blood vessels begin growing into it to keep the developing cells alive. Over the following days, new cells, collagen, and blood vessels continue filling the gap until the two sides become connected again. After a few weeks, the repaired tissue becomes strong enough to hold itself together, which means those stitches have finally finished their job. Finally, the stitches are removed, leaving behind a thin scar, the visible result of an entire rebuilding process that happened underneath your skin.